beauties and finties, welcome back to my channel. I am RonikaJanell, and for those that are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you will know when I'm uploading videos. Okay, so I got a package from a company called Influenster, and what this company do is send complimentary items for you to test the product and review it. They have an app where you review products and you review things that you have tried or spent your money on. And so I got this for free, and I'm going to see what's in this package. And let's get started. Let's see what they sent me. And also, baby CJ is sitting on my lap. Say hi. Oh, look at you. He's so smart. And he's going to be featuring in this video. So, we're going to open the package. Okay. And so, it has this Shimmer box card. And then on the back it has what is in the box. Let's get started with this. Oh, he dropped something. Okay, so the first item is these in-press manicure nails. Ooh, these are cute. And these retail at $7.99. These are so cute. I'm excited to try those. And then it gives us a NYC coupon for all the NYC products, the Eva NYC products. So this is a plus. I will be using that if I like these products. Also package a Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. I never tried dry shampoo ever in my life, so this will be interesting. And this retail at $11.99. I don't know if it's this size, but yeah, I think this is like the sample size. So, and they also package Vera Rang Embrace perfume. And this retail at $30. Not this size, this is the sample size. So let's see how this smells. I hope it don't smell like an old lady, because I hate old lady smell. Let's try this. Ooh, ooh, I like this. It kind of smells like fresh type of sweet, flowery smell. Oh my God, this smell. Ooh, grown woman, sexy. This bomb. I might go pick some of this up. This smells amazing, you guys. And again, it's the Vera Rang Embrace perfume. Oh my God, that smells so good. And it retail at $29.99, so don't forget that. And this is the Vera Rang Rosebud and Vanilla. Oh, I know this gonna smell good because I'm a vanilla type of person. So let's see if it smells good. Okay, let's try it right here since I just sprayed the other one. Oh my God. This is, oh my God, yes, I have to get this. Oh my God, you guys, this smells so freaking good. I just want to walk around like this. Oh, it smells so good. And that retails at $29.99 as well. And they also gave us a card And this card goes to a, I don't know how to pronounce it, Nakayo. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's for a eye and lip cream moisturizer. This is nice. I can't wait to try that. It tells you the ingredients and how to log in and set up an account to start getting rewards. Can't wait to try it. And that retails at $39.99. Oh my God, no, they did not put no Sour Patch candy in here. I cannot wait to eat these up. I love candy. And then the Sour Patch retail at $1.99 through $2.29. I'm about to try these right now. You want some candy, man? Yeah. Ooh. This one good. God. What's the flavors on these? That's sour. Strawberry, and then they have lemon, green, apple, and tangerine. That was the lemon we tasted, CJ. That went good at it. This is my first box, and I'm loving it. Hopefully I get more free items to test and talk about. And this company is called Influenster. I will link the wait, y'all, wait. So good, y'all. But I will link the app in the description box so that you can download the app and also earn rewards and sorry you guys, possibly get a free box as well. This is my first one and they have some amazing products. I really love this perfume, both perfumes, and I can't wait to try this Freshen Up dry shampoo. If you have tried dry shampoo, please comment below and let me know what is your favorite dry shampoo. If you guys have tried these press-on manicure nails, let me know in the comment section if you like them, how long did they last, and this is how you apply them on. Very interesting. And again, you guys, this is the Shimmer box, and they have different type of boxes, and this time I got the Shimmer box, which is my first time receiving one of these boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to share this video to help the next person. Yeah, me and CJ will see you guys later.
Shut up and sit down.